Hello everyone. Today we're gonna solve the Leetcode problem 70, climbing stairs. This is a classic dynamic programming problem, and it's an excellent way to understand how subproblems can be confined to form a solution. The problem statement is quite simple. We are climbing a staircase, and it takes n steps to reach the top. Each time we can either take one step or we can take two steps at once. And all we want to know is that how many distinct ways we can climb to the top. So it's obvious that if n equals 1, there's only one way to climb, right? So if n equals 2, there are two ways to climb. But what if n equals 3? There are only two options that make you get to step 3. One is from step 2 by climbing one step, or the other is that from step 1 by climbing two steps. So do you see the pattern? No matter what n is, there are only two ways to reach step n. From step n minus 1 by climbing one step, or from step n minus 2 by climbing two steps. Let's walk through the code. First, we need to handle the base cases. If n is 1 or 2, all we need to do is just return n. Then we create a cache array to store the number of ways to reach each step. We initialize the first two node values. Next, we loop from 3 to n, and for each step, we calculate the number of ways to reach it by summing the previous two values. Finally, we return the value at cache n, which represents the total number of distinct ways to reach the top. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.